Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are delving into the incredible world of cloves, those aromatic spice gems known for their myriad health benefits. But here's the catch: to fully harness the power of cloves, we need to steer clear of some common mistakes. Stick around as we unveil the potential pitfalls, and ensure you make the most out of this fantastic spice. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss our next video on health and wellness. The marvels of cloves. Before we dive into the pitfalls, let's take a moment to appreciate the astonishing benefits of cloves. From being rich in antioxidants to having anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, cloves are a true health superhero. They've been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and the list of benefits seems endless. Here are the most common mistakes to avoid while taking cloves. Mistake 1. Neglecting moderation. First on our list of mistakes is neglecting moderation. It's easy to get carried away with the power of cloves, but like anything in life, balance is key. Consuming cloves in excess can lead to unforeseen issues, from stomach discomfort to potential interactions with medications. Let's strive for balance to reap the rewards without the risks. Mistake 2. Assuming allergies won't affect you. Don't assume allergies won't affect you. While cloves are generally safe for many, they share a botanical family with spices like cinnamon and bay leaves. If you have known allergies to these, overlooking the potential for clove-related allergies could be a recipe for unexpected reactions. Mistake 3. Ignoring medication interactions. Next up, ignoring medication interactions. Cloves, with their unique properties, may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and psychiatric drugs. It's crucial to communicate openly with your healthcare provider to avoid any clashes between cloves and your prescribed medications. Mistake 4. Overlooking dental sensitivity. Overlooking dental sensitivity is a common mistake. While cloves are praised for their dental benefits, using them excessively or in concentrated forms can lead to sensitivity issues. Let's strike the right balance to ensure our dental health journey is as enjoyable as it is effective. Mistake 5. Neglecting individual health conditions. Neglecting individual health conditions is a pitfall we want to sidestep. Cloves may have diverse effects on different individuals. Whether you're dealing with blood pressure concerns, gastrointestinal issues, or other health conditions, it's imperative to tailor your clove consumption to your unique health needs. Mistake 6. Assuming one size fits all. Assuming one size fits all is a mistake we can't afford to make. Each of us is a unique masterpiece, and what works wonders for one person may not be suitable for another. Let's approach cloves with the understanding that personalized approaches yield the best results. Mistake 7. Neglecting the power of dilution. Neglecting the power of dilution is another pitfall to avoid, especially when using clove oil. The concentrated nature of clove oil demands caution. Always dilute it properly to prevent skin irritation or other adverse reactions. Dilution is the name of the game for safe and effective use. Mistake 8. Skipping consultation before pregnancy. Skipping consultation before pregnancy is a mistake we want to address. While cloves can offer benefits, pregnant individuals should consult with their healthcare providers before incorporating them into their routines. Ensuring a safe journey for both mom and baby is the top priority. Mistake 9. Ignoring respiratory sensitivity. Ignoring respiratory sensitivity is a critical mistake, especially if you have pre-existing respiratory conditions such as asthma. The strong aroma of cloves may act as a trigger, potentially leading to discomfort or exacerbating respiratory symptoms. It's crucial to be aware of your respiratory health and adjust your use of cloves accordingly. Mistake 10. Neglecting proper ventilation. Neglecting proper ventilation is another consideration when working with cloves, particularly in scenarios where you're using clove oil or creating aromatic blends. Ensuring adequate ventilation can help prevent the concentration of clove vapors, reducing the risk of respiratory irritation. Let's be mindful of our environment when incorporating cloves into our routines. Explore inhalation for respiratory benefits. On a positive note, let's explore the potential benefits of cloves for respiratory health. When used appropriately, cloves can offer relief from respiratory issues. Inhalation of the aromatic compounds in cloves may help soothe coughs and promote clearer airways. However, always use this method cautiously and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have respiratory conditions. Don't rely solely on cloves for respiratory issues. Don't rely solely on cloves for respiratory issues. While cloves may provide some relief, it's essential to approach respiratory health comprehensively. If you have persistent respiratory concerns, seeking guidance from a healthcare professional is paramount. Cloves can be a complementary element, but they shouldn't replace medical advice and treatment. Mistake 11. Excessive inhalation. Excessive inhalation can be a mistake to avoid. While inhaling the aroma of cloves can be beneficial, moderation is key. Prolonged or excessive inhalation may lead to saturation of the respiratory system, potentially causing irritation. Let's enjoy the respiratory benefits of cloves in a balanced and mindful manner. Do consider aromatherapy safely. Aromatherapy using cloves can be a delightful experience, offering relaxation and potential respiratory benefits. When using essential oils, ensure proper dilution and follow recommended guidelines. Aromatherapy can be a wonderful addition to your wellness routine when done with care. As we conclude, remember that cloves can have both positive and potentially challenging effects on respiratory health. Being aware of respiratory sensitivity, maintaining proper ventilation, and using cloves judiciously can help you enjoy the benefits without compromising your well-being. And there you have it, the common mistakes to avoid while taking cloves. Remember, knowledge is power, and being mindful of these pitfalls ensures you navigate the world of cloves with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and keep exploring with us.